Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're looking to streamline your payments and add your Discover card to Google Pay, you're in the right place. Google Pay is a fantastic app that lets you make quick, secure transactions with your phone, and adding a card is simpler than you might think. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can get set up in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have the Google Pay app installed on your Android device. If you don't, head to the Google Play Store, search for Google Pay, and download it for free. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Google account. This is crucial because Google Pay uses your Google credentials to keep everything secure. Now, let's dive into the main steps. Tap on your profile icon or the menu button, usually in the top left or right corner, and look for the Payment Methods or Add Card option. Select that, and then choose Add a Card. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. That's your Discover card number, the expiration date, and the CVV code from the back of your card. Don't worry, Google Pay uses encryption to protect your information. After you input the details, you might need to verify your card. This could involve receiving a text message with a code or getting a small temporary charge on your card that you'll confirm in the app. Once verified, hit Save or Add Card, and voila! Your Discover card is now linked. A quick tip. If you run into any issues, like an error message, double-check that your Discover card is eligible for Google Pay. Most major cards are, but it's always good to confirm with your bank. Also, ensure your phone's software is up to date for the best experience. There you have it. Adding your Discover card to Google Pay is straightforward and takes less than 5 minutes. Now you can enjoy faster checkouts, rewards tracking, and the convenience of tap to pay. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Happy paying!